Hi everyone. Today I wanted to give some tips on diamond painting. Welcome if you are new or a returning Yarny Cat. So I am Crystal and I have recently fallen in love with diamond painting. So I thought I'd give y'all some helpful tips on, how to start a diamond painting if you're new to it. Or it might give you a different perspective on how to go about it. So, first of all, you will need a diamond painting. And this is one I got from One Day Savings. I'm not affiliated with them. My light board, I have an A3. It is from Art Dot. I'm not affiliated with them either. But this is I think it's supposed to be almost 17 inches by 12. It comes with a double stand. They're very easy to set up and they're adjustable. So you can lean it back or stand it up straighter. Now it comes with a cord, but what I like to do, there's these little battery packs. This one lasts about, well, it's fully charged and I can run it with my light board for a good day and a half. So, and plus this one is my charge. I bought this, I think, at Walgreens a couple of years ago. And it also charges up and recharges. You might want to have some little extra bags handy for when you are done. Some diamond paintings come with little bags you can seal back up, like little Ziplocs like this. Some do not. You will also need a couple of these kind of containers. Now, you put each individual color in it, and you put a label on top. What I like to do, so I start with the labels, and I put 1, 2, 3, and 4. I put the numbers. Now, a lot of the times, these diamond paintings will have symbols or numbers for the corresponding, should I say, they have the letters and numbers. But like number 13 is an N. Number 14 is I. So what I like to do, number 1 would be R. So I take a pencil and then I can erase later on. So I write the number 1 and then I would put R. And then if I want to start another diamond painting, I would just erase the R. So like number 2 on this one is an E. So I would put E. Like that. And so on. Then, so after all of these would be labeled, what you want to do is you open your diamond painting. Let me clear my table. Alright, so this one is a 30 by 40. So the whole thing, when you take it out of the package and you open it up, all the things are inside the diamond painting. It comes with all the little tools you'll need, the little sticky stuff, the tray, and a pin, and all the diamonds that you'll need. Now, see, these are not in resealable bags. That's why I said have some little bags handy. So, how you know what numbers they are? When you look at the packages, it'll have a number. 3607 for this color. So you would go and look at this column. Now, some packages on different diamond paintings will have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. They don't ever have this one that I have noticed. Now, you look for this color, and it's number 12, 3607. So that would be color A, which would be the pink. So, what I like to do, I like to put them all in order. Another thing, they do make different diamond painting pens. This one, I believe I got it off Temu. Now this this is a very helpful tool. With all this black that you see, you can put multiple on here and do more than one little dot at a time. So what I like to do with all the different colors, as you can see, there's going to be a lot of black on this one. Wow, there's a lot of them. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to put the colors in order. And I go by the chart. And this is your guide. So I'm going to set them up in order and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got all of my packages lined up. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So, number 1 through 20. So what I do now, and I got all my little containers marked with the corresponding letter that is on the diamond painting. So all of them have their number and the alphabet letter. So what I like to do is I start with the first one. Some of them have little perforated edges, and if it's a small amount like these two packages or one, I just go ahead and open them both. Sometimes you might need scissors too. Sometimes you don't. And then I just go ahead and dump the whole little package in there. I do both of them. Now, color number 3 is the black. This one. So I fill it up until the third slot is completely full, and then I get it as I need it. And then, so color number 1 is done, and that's more like a burgundy. So I close it and go on with number 2, which is only one package. Close it, and so on. Alright, so all the gems are in their corresponding place. Now, what I like to do, actually, I'm going to show you how to actually put the diamond painting on there. So, sometimes they are a little kind of wonky, but each light board comes with these clips. So what you'll want to do, now I know this is going to be working it sideways. I mean, you could, if you wanted to, let it hang off like this, but that's too much trouble if you're doing a certain color. So you want to move that out of the way first. All right. Try to flatten it out. And when you clip it down, leave the plastic out of the way. Because you'll need to pull that back to get to the stickiness. So just like that. And I put one down to hold. And I usually try to flatten it and then push it down. And you just kind of go around the edge. Now, sometimes these will cover where you have to push for it to come on. So just get it wherever you can, but don't cover your on button. And that also helps hold it too. So you'll want to set your stand. So as you can kind of see, it helps you see the image closer. I mean, you can see the numbers a little better. So what I actually like to do is I pick the one with the least color first. To me, that would be either the white or the really bright pink. So I'm going to take which one. I guess I'm going to start with A. It only has a few. And here's a little trick that I had learned. You don't fill the tray up. Just put some like that. Just a little. And then you kind of tilt it and shake. And then lean it the other way, tilt and shake. And it actually lays these round ones on in the grooves. Just like that. So I'm going to tilt it down just a little so y'all can see. Alright, so I'm going to pull this up and start on this one little spot here. I'm going to pull that up and place that under there. So you take your diamond painting pen and this sticky stuff, and what you're going to do is you dip it in there and push it in the end. Kind of smush it in there. And then you take your little diamond tray and you just grab one. And then you find where it goes, which is right there, color A. And then you just grab another one. And you put it on. I like to push them down. You don't have to push very hard when you're actually grabbing the diamond. And if you ever mess up and put it on the wrong one, that's what these tweezers are for. Say I messed up and put this one on the wrong color, or this one. You pry it off and then put it where you need to. They also have these little magnifying glass to help you see it better. It doesn't really fit too well, except it does on this one, but I mean, it does help somewhat. As you can see, it's magnifying in the camera. So these do help. I think I found this on AliExpress. I might have actually got this one off AliExpress. I'm not real sure exactly where I bought it. But yeah, so there's not much to it. You just grab a gem and put it with the corresponding color. And then when you're not using the diamond painting, make sure you put the plastic cover back over it and put your little clips down to hold it. And then when you're done with your diamond painting, I would suggest laying it on a flat surface and putting puzzle glue or diamond painting glue on it, and it will help secure your gems. Take a brush and just paint the glue on. And then take all your extra gems that you have left over and put them in baggies, because they might be useful in other diamond paintings. Like if you run out of another color, sometimes they use the same colors. So that is my little tips and tricks on diamond painting. I hope you have enjoyed this. And please give it a like, share it out if you want. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd love to have you. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.